I would like to explain one Tibetan example. If this example I would like to say in Tibetan, Pungé semla donjime, yunge namla donjiyos. What is this meaning is that poor man's mind not become pure, but poor weather will be pure. Its meaning is that if you have raining for a month, and then this poor man thinking, oh, weather is very bad and it will be never going to the end of raining, their kind of mind become very weak. So he felt that will be never stopped this bad weather. But actually, in fact, weather one day will be better and nice. So that same way, when we are practicing Dharma, and our mind is such pure sky, and these negative emotions, such anger, jealous, ignorance, desire, pride. So we call this 5 root poisons, and there are many others like raining in our mind, such way of the raining or snowing of the bad weather. So we are practicing on that, we try to avoid this. But these emotions are very strong and very kind of heavy. And then sometimes these poor men or poor practitioners think, oh, it will never become better. It doesn't work. Whatever I practice, if these negative emotions are such, it's heavy and draining. So it will not stopped, and they become like they felt, like it doesn't work at all. But in fact, actually, one day it has to stop, because these negative emotions are exactly same as the bad weather. Because bad weather is also just came due to some cause and conditions by temporarily. And negative emotions are also just temporarily, not like permanent kind of or quality or permanent things in your own mind. So therefore, one day it will be going to stop. So what I'm saying here is, if you ever have felt that it doesn't gonna do well, it will be, not stop all these negative emotions. If you think that, that is exactly the same way of the thinking those poor men who think weather will be never stopped. But it doesn't that way.